What happens when paint meets chaos? Well, get ready for a wild ride because today, we're diving into a crazy art challenge that's about to go hilariously wrong. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here with my awesome friends, and we're taking on the ultimate art challenge. We've got paints, canvases, and a whole lot of spontaneity in store for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss this presentation of problem/challenge. So here's the deal, we're going to create some epic masterpieces while blindfolded. Yeah, you heard that right. We'll be using all kinds of bright colors, splashes of paint, and maybe a few unconventional tools, like sponges and even our hands. But let's be real, this is going to get messy, like, really messy. We're talking paint splatters flying everywhere, and I can already see my living room turning into a mini art studio disaster zone. And of course, the bigger the mess, the better the fun, right? Exploration/development. Alright, let's set the stage for this madness. We're gathering all our materials, and I can't help but feel a mix of excitement and nervous energy. Look at these colors, we've got neon pink, electric blue, and the brightest yellow you can imagine. How can we not have fun with these? As we get ready, we're chatting about our strategies. I'm all about random splashes, while my friend Sarah thinks we should try to create something artistic. Ha! We'll see how that goes once the paint starts flying. The anticipation is building, and we can't stop laughing at the idea of what's about to happen. Climax/key moment. Okay, the moment of truth is here. We're all blindfolded and ready to unleash our inner Picassos. And oh boy, just as I'm about to toss a handful of paint toward my canvas, I accidentally knock over a bucket of paint. Splat! It explodes everywhere. I can't even describe the look on everyone's faces, pure shock, followed by uncontrollable laughter. Paint is dripping off the walls, and Sarah's got a big splotch right on her forehead. This is insane. We're all rolling on the floor, covered in paint, and I'm pretty sure this is the most fun we've ever had. Conclusion/summary. Wow, what an experience. We came for a chill art challenge, and instead, we created an epic paint explosion. Sure, the mess is unbelievable, and I may have ruined my favorite shirt, but honestly, it was totally worth it. We've created some wild art pieces, and the memories we made today are priceless. Call to action, CTA. Thanks for joining us on this crazy adventure. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part was, and if you've ever had a paint explosion moment of your own. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more wild challenges and fun times. Until next time, keep creating and embracing the chaos.